What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the split screen feature on your iPad Pro. Let's get started. So let's get right into the video. The first thing you need to do if you're trying to do a split view, as you can see, I am on the Safari YouTube page of my own channel. And what you're going to do is take your finger and you're going to swipe from the bottom just a little bit up until you see all the dock of applications that appears. Once you do, you're going to tap, let's just say I'm going to bring up the YouTube app side by side split view with the Safari page, and then I'm just going to scroll up with it. So let me give you an example. There you go. You don't have to hold for a long time, and then I can bring it to the right, or you can bring it to the left. So in our case, we're going to bring it to the right, and there you go. Now, once you do that, if you can see this line right here, you can use this line to adjust how much difference you want the split view to be between the two windows. So let's keep it at the middle. Now you're done with the split view. You want to get rid of one of these apps. What you're going to do is, for our instance, let's just say we're going to get rid of the YouTube app for now. So you're going to see that line up here. You're going to just bring that down. And then once you bring it down, you're going to go with your finger right here and you're going to swipe. Oh, you're going to swipe up until you see that blur in the background, and then you're going to swipe up. And there you go. That's how you get rid of your split view. One thing I do want to mention is that the split view does not work with all apps. So for example, right here I have Hulu, and let's just say I want to do a split view with Hulu. It will not let you. So when I try to go all the way to the right, it's not going to do a split view, and if I let go, it's just going to open the app. So that would not work. Also, I have YouTube Studio, and what I can do is I still can't do it with YouTube Studio as well. So that's another thing I want to point out to you guys. Just some apps will not work with split view. You can bring certain apps up to bring up this display to the side, but it will not be a split view with the current screen that you're on or the application that you're on. So this was my video on how to use the split view feature with your iPad Pro. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.